Hello friends, welcome to my new channel. I'm Dipanjan and here I'm going to share my entire creative journey with you. So if you love watching drawings come to life, want to learn digital art or simply enjoy relaxing and satisfying timeless videos, then you are in the perfect place. This channel is specially for those who want to make their day a little more beautiful through art. So this video is really special to me because I'm going to show you a time lapse that I created on Procreate. Procreate is one of my favorite apps available on the iOS platform because it allows me to bring my ideas to life quickly and creatively. I want you to watch the entire process with me and feel how a simple idea slowly transforms into a complete piece of art. First, I started with a rough sketch. For me, sketching is like brainstorming. I experiment freely, create shapes, and figure out which composition feels right. At this stage, I don't worry about perfection, I just go with the flow. So once the sketch is ready, I move on to the line art. This step takes patience because every line has to be smooth and clean. But honestly, I really enjoy this part. It feels like the artwork is finally starting to take shape. Then comes the coloring. I start by filling in flat base colors and then add shading and highlights. This is where the artwork really comes to life. I believe choosing the right colors in an art in itself. They set the mood, the vibe, and the entire feel of the artwork. And finally, I do the detailing, little touches that makes the artwork look polished and professional. I enhance the background, adjust the lighting, and set the contrast just right. This is the moment when I step back and say, yes, now it's complete. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Which part of the artwork did you enjoy the most? The raw sketch or the final polished result? Tell me in the comments. I personally read them and your feedback really inspires me to keep creating. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends who enjoy art, and subscribe to my channel. Your one like and subscribe motivates me so much and helps me bring you even more creative contents like this. Once you subscribe, don't forget to tap the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification right away.